Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I want to teach you how you can get editable content. Like as CorelDRAW users, how you can get editable content. First, we will be using our normal free pick. Let's go to free pick. And then from here, this is our free pick account. These are different kinds of inspiring designs powered by AI. So right now, let's say you are looking for a certificate, an editable certificate. Click enter. These are a list of certificates that will pop up on the screen for you to see. Then from here, you want to get a particular one that you want to edit. Then click here. Then now from here now come to download, but don't click on this download. Click on this drop down section. Click on it. Then there's a format they call EPS. This is called escapulated postscript. This escapulated postscript here, it gives you that right to access the vectors of this design. So right now from here you click on download. It's already downloading, so let's wait for it to download and finish. Yeah, it starts downloaded. Then let's open our download folder. Open. So immediately it gives us the view having a CorelDRAW icon. Let's open it. Then let's open as text. You can open as text of curve. Then press OK. Then it's giving us the information that the font used in that design, I don't have it here, but it can replace it. Then click on OK, it can replace it. Then from here, once you open this is the certificate, and to God be the glory. You can see this is editable. You can change the colors of this respectively. You can change it differently without stress, without any problem. You can adjust it to this point. Change the color to black. You can change it to, and you can even input your own details right now. Let's say you are talking of Rebecca Joe, for instance. You can edit it to any format of your choice. Thank you, and if you love our tutorial, subscribe for more.